Taiwan is working on a social distancing app that people can download on a voluntary basis to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus, the director of the country's Department of Cybersecurity said on April 11th. The Taiwanese social distancing app uses Bluetooth to keep track of when the user gets close to other people. Data will be encrypted and saved in the user's device and will not be collected to track the user's movements. The app will issue an alert each time the user gets too close to someone else. It will also provide data on how often the user came too close to others during each day. According to the Taiwanese government, the app's primary purpose is to provide users with information about crowded places so that they can avoid them. Social distancing guidelines from Taiwan's Central Epidemic Command Center advise people to stay at least 1 meter apart outdoors and 1.5 meters apart indoors. The social distancing app is being developed based on a directive issued in mid-March by Vice Premier Chen Hung-wei, according to Chien Hung-wei, director of the Cybersecurity Department under the executive Yuan. It is currently being tested and will be released within the next 2 weeks, Chen said. While the Taiwanese government is emphasizing the privacy-friendly nature of its social distancing app, Israel is taking a much more invasive approach. The New York Times reports Israel will monitor cell phones to track people with COVID-19 and those who have come into close contact with them. The government will comb through the geolocation data gathered from the country's telecommunications providers to pinpoint those affected. This will then be used to track the history of the infected person's movements and to identify potentially infected individuals. Once identified, those suspected of catching the virus will receive a message telling them to self-isolate immediately. For more news animations and explainers, hit the subscribe and bell button to join the TomoNews family. Thanks for watching.